Welcome to our newest listing at 93 Iron Block Road, Wanless and Vankirk area, close to school, close to highway and close to amenities. This home features 2,200 square feet, renovated top to bottom with brand new kitchen, brand new floors and much more. Let's take a look on the property. Brand new floors, cathedral ceiling, hanging chandelier. That's what looks like in a living room. This is combined with the kitchen, open concept, and where you can enjoy with your guests. Look at this brand new kitchen. Everything which a chef gonna desire. Gas stove, new range hood, new appliances, porcelain floor, center island, and everything is well taken care. Master bedroom with his and her closets and 5-piece in-suite washroom. That's what you are looking for in a upsizing home. Looking to enjoy the tea in the evening? We got you covered. This balcony comes with the bedroom, and look at the view. It's open air view where you can enjoy your evenings with your loved ones. You're afraid of gardening? Everything is taken care here. Party size backyard with no grass. Everything is taken care by the sellers. Interlock and concrete backyard.